So guys, in a moment I will drive to my garage, pick up the car from the body shop, the car is ready, and now I will start preparing for paint. Whoo, yeah! Okay, so as you can see, the car is ready, everything is put together. This fender looks very nice. There will be some bondo here, but not too much. I am very happy that I can save this panel. Those panels are new. Okay, rest I will be showing you later. So guys, the repair look like this. Here is the frame, and the frame was fixed. I think it looks very nice after repair. So now I have to paint all those sanding areas with epoxy primer to prevent from further rusting. So now I will mix some epoxy primer and I will paint it. And the rest I will be doing tomorrow when epoxy need to cure, and I will be working like I said before, tomorrow with this car. I am very happy. This repair will be with less episode, but life sucks and I don't want to work with cars at this moment, so I only do what I have to do, nothing more. So see ya to tomorrow. Okay, so I mixed some epoxy primer and now I will start painting. for my project. I will be there in a few moments, and the car will be ready soon, because I transported the car to the body shop, and they need 2 days to finish the car. So car is painted, and I hope it will be ready soon. So the last parts from the BMW just arrived. Here is the new, it's called battery fuse box, but I think it has a different name. This is the cuts power from the battery after the accident, and I have to replace it. And I will do it now. Okay, you see. So now I will install it. This is very simple. One screw. Now the second one. And here is everything screwed together. Now everything is connected. So now all I have to do is to install some plastic covers here. I am still waiting from the dealership because they didn't give me the correct ones, so I have to exchange them, and basically the car will be ready. So some few steps, a little bit of polish here and there, and I have to clean the entire car, and the job will be done. Hope you like my movies. Please leave the thumbs up, subscribe if you can. This will support my channel. So guys, all I have to do now is to clean the entire interior. Oh, here is nice mess. So it will be a few seconds for you, a little bit longer for me. So time to do it. So here we are, guys. The BMW is finally finished. Now I am driving on such a beautiful road, winter time, and I will show you the car after the bodywork and after the, you know, my work. So hope you like my movies. So guys, as you can see, the car is finally finished. I will show you the right rear side, of course, in the sun, how this looks like after the repair. Car looks very nice, very clean. 2019, low mileage. Looks very nice. beautiful interior.